how to prophesy accurately in 5 minutes. You're welcome to this video on Prophetic Bible School. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you will not miss out on any other video we're going to be releasing. This is the 4th video in this series on how to prophesy accurately. Make sure you watch the other videos and make sure you're up to date with this teaching. And if you would like to prophesy accurately, follow through till the end. I'm going to be sharing step by step how to prophesy accurately in 5 minutes. Now we're going to go through, we're going to first of all read the proof text, the text we're going to be using, and then I'm going to exegete on that text, and then we're going to move from there. So the first thing you need to understand is that you can prophesy, everybody can prophesy, and it's in the scriptures. It's really there for us to, God has given us that grace to prophesy, and He even recommends us to prophesy. He even desires that we prophesy. Okay, so this is how you prophesy effectively in accurately in 5 minutes. Now, I have been crucified. Let's go to the proof text now. Galatians 2 verse 20. I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ lives in me. And the life which I now live in the flesh, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave Himself for me. That is it. You prophesy by faith. You speak by faith. For you have been crucified with Christ. So the life you live is no longer your life, but Christ who lives through you. So the secret to prophesying accurately is the ability for you to die daily so that Christ may live daily through you. If Christ lives daily through you, He will speak daily through you. So you speak, that is the human, let's understand this. The human components is made up of the body, the flesh, the mind, and the spirit. So the body is like the lower level, the mind or the soul is the middle level, and the innermost part is the spirit. And many people, when they pray, their prayers end in the body. They don't even get to the level of the soul, talking of the level of the spirit. But when you die daily and allow Christ to speak through you, and you believe in yourself that Christ lives in you and He speaks through you, you will release yourself and allow Him to speak through you. When you meet somebody, you want to speak to the person, allow Him to speak through you, allow Him to minister through you. Speak freely. Allow Christ to speak through you. Allow Christ to speak through you, and you'll be able to prophesy accurately. Believe that He can speak through you. Believe that He lives in you. Let your human faculties die so that the spiritual faculties can come alive. Let your sensitivity to the human faculties, to the physical faculties, begin to lose its earthly essence and take upon the form of the Spirit, so that the Holy Spirit can flow through you. That is how you begin to prophesy accurately. So one of the things you need to understand is that your body, your ears, your eyes are a channel. Your mouth is a channel through which the Holy Spirit wants to flow through you. He wants to show you pictures. He wants to show you things, and He wants to speak things through you. So you need to allow yourself and be free to allow the Holy Spirit to move through you, because you're an instrument. That is how you prophesy accurately. One of the things I want to let you go with is that don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself. I prefer to go out there and bear risks and risk everything, because I walk by faith, not by sight, and speak for God. If you believe that you have received that impartation to prophesy from this day, comment belief. And if you believe Christ speaks through you, if you believe Christ can speak through you, that is no longer you who lives, but Christ who lives through you, then say this, write this in the comment section: I can prophesy. Write this in the comment section, and I'll be joining you and praying for you. Those who are going to type that, type I can prophesy. And if you're serious about going deeper in the prophetic, make sure you get your ebook, How to Prophesy Accurately, 13 steps, 13 keys to receive and release a prophetic word. And you can also join the prophetic masterclass. All the links will be in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share the video, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. See you in the next video. My name is Kum Eric Tso.